easy pie dough recipe works perfectly for any kind of pie, sweet or savory. It's also perfect for a quiche. The crust will turn out light, buttery, and flaky.
We are using cold butter because it has the best flavor. You'll need 227 grams, or 1 cup, which is about half a pound. Slice the butter into small cubes, about 1 centimeter in size. While you're preparing the other ingredients, freeze the cubes for about 5 minutes. Measure out 313 grams of all-purpose flour. This is about 2½ cups. Some people use pastry flour instead of all-purpose flour, but that's too specialized for us. It's not necessary. You get a similar result when you sift all-purpose flour, but you really should sift it. Add a ½ teaspoon of table salt and mix well. Now add the cold cubes of butter directly from the freezer. Break them apart with your fingers. Mix a little to coat the butter with flour. Now press the butter with your fingers a little at a time, like this, until you've done this with all the butter. It won't take long, just a minute or two. After doing this, you'll have a crumbly mixture of flour with small pea-sized lumps of butter, like this. Now add ice cubes to a small bowl of water. To get the right texture for your pie crust, it's very important that the butter and water be cold. When the water is very cold, add 3 tablespoons and mix with your hands. You want the dough to just barely hold together, without being too sticky. Until the dough holds together, add more cold water, 1 tablespoon at a time. You'll get the right texture eventually. If you accidentally add too much water, you can add a little flour. When you get a texture like this, transfer to your countertop and press together to form a rough ball. If you find our video helpful, please help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. Pat down the ball to make a disc and cut in half. Make each half into a ball. Then pat down to form a disc. You'll use 1 disc for your pie. The other can be for a second pie or for decorations for the top of your pie.
Wrap the discs so that there is no air inside, then refrigerate for at least an hour before you use them. You can leave the dough in the fridge for a few days. If you leave the dough in the fridge for longer than an hour, then you need to let it sit at room temperature for at least an hour afterwards. Otherwise, it will be too hard to work with.
You see? It's too hard.
The dough is all set to be transformed into a perfect pie or quiche. If you enjoyed our video, we think you'll like this one too.